What's up guys, this is Iron Geek here, and I just want to give you a quick video on the packaging and how you'll be receiving your figures if you do order from me. This is actually one of the deluxe base versions with the light up features and the articulated flaps and removable chest plate. So here's the box. It comes fairly compact. You have bubble wrap on the top to protect it, and then here's the computer screen that goes on the diorama base. Here is the gantry arm. Okay, so this is actually the USB that powers the arc reactor and lit up eyes via cell phone charger. And then right here is the figure itself. Now it comes with one of the arms removed in order for it to be able to fit in this compact box, which is also wrapped in bubble wrap. It's a real quick ball joint, just snap it together and you're done. And then here's the bottom of the base. New design. Stark Industries logo on the bottom. I'm really proud of that. I like the way this came out. And here is the top of the base. So it's in two sections, as you can see. The poles poured in right there, just like so. The chains are hanging down, and I'll show you why in a second. And here's 3 wires. These 2 are connected. This one is not. So the way this goes together, you take the gantry arm, you feed it through the 2 wires, and port it into the hole, which is right there. And after you port that in like so, you will take these 2 wires that are connected, feed them underneath, and port them into the bottom hole right there. There's only one hole that's available. Okay? And then after you do that, you're going to take the USB, feed it through the back, so it comes out the back to be able to be plugged in. Alright, so just move this other wire out of the way for now. Then you have these 2 wires right here that have heat shrink with a couple of screws. And those screws are because there are magnets placed here and up inside the bicep. And then there's also a little port to sit on top of right here, and a plug. You're going to hold the plug, and then you're going to port this portion here into that hole, like so. And you're going to take this wire, and on the bottom, I'm not sure how well it will come across the camera, but there's a plug right there. The one furthest towards the left is positive, which would be the red. So then you plug in this 2-prong connector, like so. Then you position the arms the way you would like them. Take this one, attach it to the magnet, feed this one through the left arm until you hear the click from the magnet. And that portion is done. These chains are in position to hang exactly where they need to be. You just slide them inside the shoulder joint like so. And then last but not least, you take the computer and you port that in right here on the front. Just like that. And then after that, you can take the USB connector and connect it to a standard cell phone power supply, and you have lit up eyes and arc reactor. The arc reactor is actually really bright. There's a lot of detail in the arc reactor now, and this, like I said, is the deluxe version. Comes with removable chest plate, articulated flaps, and light up features. So I'm going to shut this off real quick so you guys can see the detail. The chest plate comes off. Nice detail inside. And not only that, but the flaps are completely articulated. So this is my new deluxe version. I'm very proud of it. I hope you guys like it. If you do want to commission one of these, go ahead and hit me up on Instagram or Facebook. My Instagram handle is iron_geek_37, and if you don't follow me, go ahead and head over to that channel so you can see more of the fun things that I do as far as my projects with my diorama, as well as other projects like this. So I hope you guys like it. Until next time, may God be with you and God bless. Peace. Bonus footage. Who doesn't like bonus footage? Alright, so I'm sure you guys saw from my edits in the video when I was showing the construction of the base that I put a notation in there that there will be an extension kit included to raise the base higher. Reason why I made it so short is because in the first original base I had, it was too tall to fit in a detolf. I do not own a detolf. I use my diorama to display my figures, so I was not sure of the correct measurements. The ones that I got offline were wrong. So what I did is I made the base with the option to have an extender. So from here to here, this section right here is actually an extension piece. This piece ports in right here, and then the silver ports into right here. That gives you the option to be able to display it with your other Iron Man Hot Toy figures or Tony Stark, and it's not going to look out of scale as it being too short or having to put it up on a box or a table or something to bring it up to height. So I hope you guys enjoy, and until next time, as always, may God be with you and God bless. Peace!